Kalen's going to jump his pit bike. He got a pit bike. I'll show you the pit bike. I don't know how to intro this video. I always struggle with these intros, but that's his pit bike. I'll focus. Oh, there we go. That's his pit bike. He's gonna do a trick on it. Off that ramp right there, the ramp we built. He's gonna do a trick. Right now he's riding his mountain bike. Look, I got a new mountain bike. I don't know if you guys ever saw it. It's pretty neat. Kalen got a new mountain bike too, but he's always got bikes. Yeah, that's Kalen. He's zooming out here. This is the ramp he's gonna be jumping. It's the ramp we built multiple times. Well, not multiple times.
Alright, I'm gonna do it.
We built it. We built that ramp, and we've used it multiple times in multiple videos. Kalen loves the ramp. He loves it. Oh, he's going. Dude, that was so bad.
Can you give one more?
We don't really ride dirt bikes so much, pit bikes, but that was pretty embarrassing. All right, he's coming again. I say gas it more. Oh! That was much better, much better. Kalen's right there. He's climbing up. He said he was just gonna go from the sidewalk, which is right there. But I think he's gonna go from the top or right there on that bump. Not sure. I'll try to zoom in on him. Alrighty. Here he comes. I'm gonna try to zoom out quicker. Oh, he's pedaling. Yeah, you made it pretty much. How's Kalen? We just rode down this big hill. Came, and then like right over there where my finger's pointing, we tried to jump over up on that side. I didn't make it. Kalen said he cased a little bit. It was a pretty big hill. That was pretty good, the first one. You went far.
Yeah, I told you after once I start pedaling a little faster, it'll kick you farther and a little higher. A lot more time in the air. Do some whips and stuff.
That boy Kalen. That was nice. I got a lot. Oh, he fell. You good?
I kept doing that yesterday too by accident. Oh.
All right. I hope this goes well. I don't know what we're gonna hit. All right, Kalen's behind us. Yo, they're outside. So did I. Yeah, just leave. That dude's just staring at us. Yeah. Yo. Dude, I did not know it was gonna be like that. Wow. Alright, that was our first time hitting that. Oh. Yeah, that was nice. That was fun. That was good. That was good.
Yeah.
Dude, and you see the rocks? For a second, I was gonna run over the rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause I rode my bike back here, and I just saw. I mean, I knew it was there, but I was looking at it, I'm like, man, it's a lot steeper.